Hello guys, Mehul here back in with another new video, and today I have yet another great, really great resource for React. As I am doing a little bit React now, like getting into React a lot and working with tons of elements, tons of type of things, uh, and as well as I am really new to React, so I need some resources to get along with, like some where I can find some of the great maybe components, pre-built components, maybe UI, maybe tons of example, blah blah blah. So I need some of one place for that. So uh, while I was searching for a project of mine, I found this platform, and it is really great. And the projects they have, the UI libraries they have collected, all of them are awesome, and all of them are free. Most of them are free. I don't know if they have any paid or not, but what have I seen already is that is most of them are free and open source. You can download it from the resource that they have provided. So let's visit the website and see what they provide. So this is reactexample.com, and if you have ever visited tailbox, I think I'm recalling it right. If you have ever visited tailbox, which have a tons of tailwind components, pre-built tailwind components, just like that, in React example, you not only will get components but a lot of other things as well. Like as you can see here in the UI, you have templates, material design, leads, list, cards, bootstrap templates, layout, scroll, single page responsiveness. Yeah, all UI. All UI means all of the UI, and admin templates as well. Then in media you have sliders, chart, carousel, everything. In elements you have everything as well. So they have the whole collection of everything. So let's just go to any one of them. Let's just go to slider. So here is in the slider section, as you can see, we have a tons of slider examples. Here is the before and after slider. Here is normal slider. Here is a slider as well. Okay, and those are all of them are made of like a blog like structure. So if you click on one of them, like if I want to click on this, so as you can see, first they have provided a picture. Here is the gif of the slider, then how to install it and all, and then there is the usage and all of them are here. And here is the code sandbox link. And here is the github link. So and for different project you will get different links, as they have provided everything. Like they usually provide everything here, but in different project obviously you will get different type of links. Like here you can see, let's preview one of them, so you will get to know about how was the quality of it. So it is made in code sandbox. So I have seen some of the others, that is a dedicated website. So it is made up on, okay, as you can see here, it is a touch slider that they are telling. And here's another example, I think. Yep. So let's see this also. Let it load. Yep. So here they have provided that, yeah, also. Wait, it's done something wrong or what? Yeah, now it's okay. Okay, so obviously all of them are like that only. Here are templates. Let's see admin templates as well. I don't want to make this video long. I'm just giving you some of the reviews. Rather than that, obviously you will visit. If you are a React developer, you will visit this site and discover all of the elements, all of your necessary elements yourself. I know. So here are some of the admin templates too. And as I have said, Most of them are free, obviously. Like, I haven't find anything paid yet, so that's why I am telling you the most of them are free. But I don't know for sure if they provide here also, like paid pro plugins also. Here you can see view demo, and here is view GitHub. So as I have told you already, you will get different links for different links and different resources for different projects. Here is the, oh, it's Windows look, Windows 11 look, as you can see it here. So yep, you will get different type of things here. And as I'm saying that this is not also, this is also not paid, as obviously they have provided GitHub link, so it would not be paid, whatever. So yeah, those are the things. That's it for this website, that's it for this video as well. Visit this. I know you will get a tons of help from these websites, because they provide a lot of things, like lot of little things, big things, everything is here. And that's it. If you like my videos in general, please do subscribe to my channel. If you know about some of the great resources like this, please let me know about them in the comment section below, so I can feature them in my future videos as well. So bye for now.